Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, August 2nd, 2012. I'm driving down University Avenue right now, taking you to the McMansion. Today we are starting our move from the McMansion. Moving out of our house for the past 5 years, so I'm giving you a little tour guide, Barbie tour of our street and how to get there. So right now we're on 17th, heading north, past our usual Midtown walk, up and down Midtown. I've done this walk probably over at least 1,000 times in my lifetime. And we're heading to the McMansion. There's the house that Tony and I found a passed out girl in a pile of leaves on. There's the house we like to jump on the trampoline at when we walk back from the bars. And here it is, 17th and beautiful 6th Avenue. There's the weird old neighbor where Michael always pees on his car. There's Doug's house. And here is 1802, the McMansion. There's Laura Barry's old house and Justin Gaddis, who moved in after her. Right across the street. There's Michael's car. And I just happened to break my finger this week, so it's going to be a really fun move with one hand. So here we are. We'll start at the front of the house. I'll show you a wide view of everything. That's my old room and the den in the front shot of the house. Everything's a little messy right now because Josh has been moving out, so his stuff is kind of everywhere. The doorknob that likes to fall off every time you open it. Throw the keys on. The pie window. That's our poster from our McMansion blowout party we had last week. Walk in here, and this is the front room, where there wasn't very much when we first started out in here. I don't think we had these couches. My drum set was over here, and we may have had the desk there. Walk back here. This was Michael and I's big bathroom. A lot of people have used that before. And the lovely green shower, nothing too exciting. Our linen closet. This was originally Michael's room. I've lived in every room in the house, but this was his first room, his closet. That's the neighbors, the Davises' house out there. His bed was right here against this wall, and he had a little nightstand there. I think he had a refrigerator over there, and a desk there. Big Rocky poster up here, and then a college poster over there from Animal House. And some other, he had up all the caps from every keg we ever got, which was quite a few after 5 years. This is Cameron's room right now. He hasn't moved out yet, but this was originally my room. The first room I moved in before I moved into Michael's room. So I had my bed here, I had a nightstand right there, and I had my big dresser right here with a little TV on it, and I had a big mirror. That was about it. This is a picture from one of our earlier parties Tim Tebow came to for Jackie's 21st birthday party. As you can see, the picture right there in the background is right there. So Tim Tebow was standing right here in this room. And as everyone knows, we've had many football parties here. This is, of course, the famous beer pong room. I'm scared to light a lighter in this room because the floors are so soaked in alcohol that the entire house might go in flames if something happened. But these are all our pictures. There's over 600 pictures on the wall. If you count them all up, I've counted them before. I haven't counted them in a while. There's probably somewhere around 650 pictures. Along with all our Gator memorabilia, of course. We had a really ugly yellow couch here first. But then we got this one from Aunt Mercedes and Uncle Mark. This is the beer pong table we made the first week we moved in. There's hundreds of names on it. Hundreds of games of beer pong on it. Thousands, probably. Won a national championship when we were here. Michael and I went to that together. So a lot of memories we're going to have to put in a photo album. This is the porch. The TV's gone. We had a TV right over there in the corner, Michael's big projector TV. This is the kegerator, which ended up being very useful during the McMansion run. Not a keg in it right now, but it's great to be a Florida Gator. This is a fireplace we never really used, never really worked. This is what's left of the big green couch that was a long L-shaped couch that went all the way around where the brown one is and connected all the way out to here. And it had those fun footrests that popped out. This is the view out to the backyard, the pool, the hot tub. Our little table, or their little booth table that Michael's student investment club friends broke the seat on when they were stomping on it one night at a party. Basketball national championship. I guess I can turn the lights on. We've always had Christmas lights on in here that light it up because it's so dark out here all the time. And yeah, it's pretty much the porch. There's some cabinets with some random junk, pool towels, another TV, and we'll come outside. So there's the kitchen in there. We'll come back to that. This is Michael's bar he built with Scotty and Aaron and Mr. Clark. The hose, the garage, and the laundry room over here. There's a bunch of junk up here from our McMansion party we had. A lot of people left a bunch of stuff. There's the grill where we have grilled out hundreds of times. Probably one of my favorite parts of the house. This is the laundry room. Nothing too exciting. Our bike. All our Halloween decorations and stuff from all our parties. Weed eater and whatever. This is my somewhat depressing garden that I have abandoned. It was pretty good at the beginning of summer. Here's a sunflower. I might be able to eat some of the seeds, actually. But anyways, I had watermelons, sunflowers, mint, cilantro. It was pretty good at the beginning of summer, but now we had a golf net set up over there. I'd hit golf balls into sometimes. There's our little fire pit. A hammock we'd relax on. Go up on the roof. And there's some chairs up there that we lay out on. Drink a few brewskis. Here's our infamous hot tub. We put the hot tub in and we planted these plants. And all our stuff is kind of messy right now from our party and just being really busy this week and stuff, but the pool's a little bit dirty. But Michael built that stand and you can jump off it, and there's the pool pump. Probably my least favorite part of the house, cleaning the pool, of course.